this man says that, Alhaji 35 as I call him, he's 35 years old and he has achieved so much. And people who are older than him say we are Neanderthals. Viewers, you know what Neanderthals are? You can Google it. He said we are Neanderthals and we haven't achieved anything. And I felt sorry for him. But is he really 35? Maybe he's 21. This is so childish, so immature. What is he talking about? He wants to throw out badges and he wants to show what he has achieved. And his greatest achievement is that at 35, he is a government appointee, a regional minister, and therefore people know him. And you have to wait till you are 35 before you get government appointment, before you are known. That's serious and that's embarrassing. 35, and you are bringing this into competition. That your trajectory of your competition is that at 35, you have achieved a lot because you had to get a government appointment before people know who you are. And it takes you up to age 35 to get a government appointment and people to know who you are. Tell him that with the Neanderthals, he should subtract our age that he knows from even just Good Evening Ghana, which is not the only thing we do, but just that. And he will find that at age 26, 27, 28, 29, we were holding the country on politics. 29-year-old boys, 28-year-old boys, we were holding the whole. What is this? Oh, this is John. Oh, please, I want people to laugh at me. Tell him that when we were 29 years old, we were holding the country. Everybody was watching. The whole country was watching. When we did it for 3-4 years, by 31, they said, CIMG said that we are the television program of the year. No current affairs program ever wins television program of the year until then. We didn't need government appointment. You have to wait till age 35. We were not even married. By the time we were doing these things, we were not even married. You have to wait till age 35. Get a government. What is government appointment? Government appointment can go to anyone. It's the president who decides. What is government appointment? I was so sorry for the guy. Oh, Alhaji 35. When he came to vetting, I was there. And I liked his vetting. Some of the NDC people were asking questions. Who is he? Who is he? And one person I remember said that, oh, Amoakohene, he's the nominee for it. They said, oh, his name is not Amoakohene. And they were correcting him. You have to wait till age. You think that is successful? You say, I am disappointed and surprised and embarrassed for him. 35, you won't even thank God. You won't start by the grace of God. You don't understand that it is God who places people where. You don't know about that. You think you are 35 and 35 before you are known. 35 before people know you. And tell him that some people are known at 26 and they are not known because of government appointment. They are known because of what the Lord has used their hands to do and what the Lord has used their mind to do. Kwesi Pratt Jr. is over 70 years old. He's never gotten a government appointment. Recently, people were calling that Kwesi Pratt Jr. should be made to lecture in social policy at the University of Ghana. And I agree with it. Kwesi Pratt Jr., he's over 70. He's never gotten a government appointment. Never, never, never. But he is a journalist of consequence. So you say that Manasseh Azuri, who I fight with all the time, I fight with Manasseh all the time. Manasseh has never received a government appointment. Manasseh went to, he grew up in otchere region. I think. He went to Ghana School of Journalism, Institute of Journalism. Went to work at Ghana Broadcasting Corporation, which was not a fanciful place to work in those years when you leave GIJ. You want to go to Joy FM, you want to go to Graphic, and you don't want to go to GBC. But he went to GBC. And then he began to focus on investigative stories. Then he did one. Then he did a doctor. Then he did two. Over time, his Manila, I'm not finished with Manasseh. Over time, he has become a journalist of some consequence without a government appointment. Not one government appointment as Manasseh got. This Alhaji 35 sitting in Ashanti region says that he is somebody because he's gotten a government appointment at age 35. And he's bragging that I'm 35 and I've achieved so much. You've achieved what? We look at Ambassador Spielgabra. Ambassador Spielgabra got his first government appointment in 1993. By that time, he was already a star at the African Development Bank. Ambassador Spielgabra was already a star. He didn't need government appointment to be Ambassador Spielgabra. He didn't need it. The government appointment needed him. He didn't need it. That's the difference. The government appointment needed him. Let's see, who else do we have? Senator Rawlings went to primaries with him. And the cabinet minister was seeking to disqualify Senator Rawlings on account of the fact that she's not a registered voter. This young man stood up, went to the Supreme Court, and made an argument. And that has become the law today. Until then, the law was hazy in our minds. And we thought that if you are not a registered voter, you cannot run for primaries. He's argued strenuously before the Supreme Court, and successfully too, that the issue about qualification for member of parliament arises when the Electoral Commission demands it. It doesn't arise before then. He didn't even win a unanimous decision of the Supreme Court. The Chief Justice, Eniyebua, was against him, but the majority of the panel voted in his favor against the Chief Justice. When he wasn't Chief Justice at the time, he was a Supreme Court judge, as he then was. Then when he went for vetting Justice Eniyebua for his position as Chief Justice, the question came up. Eniyebua reiterated his view and said that the Supreme Court was wrong. But the young man's argument had been sustained by the Supreme Court. I know he's NDC, and we are in different political parties. But I called him and said that for this thing that you have done, come on Good Evening Ghana, let me interview you. You've done a great job. He came, and I interviewed him. I congratulated him. He didn't have government appointment. Yeah, today he has. But he didn't have government appointment then. So please tell Alhaji 35 that to get government appointment at 35 and feel that because of the government appointment, you are better than somebody, that is crass. Absolute crass. As I'm look at all these young men. Look at them. Look at all of them. Have they got government appointment? Look at it. Has he got government appointment? Oh, Junior Agogo, may he rest in peace. Did he have government appointment? So to be able to become a Ghanaian of consequence, you can become a Ghanaian of consequence by the God blessing the work of your hand, God blessing the work of your head. Look at Mohammed Kudus. Has he got government appointment? This guy sits there and says that he's got government appointment, therefore, you know. UK on Facebook. I'm sure I say Christmas tree, my whole Christmas tree a lot in my comment section. I'm going to me ye very calm. Me mpem wasem kra. Me mpem wasem. I na mo me boa. Me mpem wasem. Me metime baby o. Ana wonya wo touch screen na so ko analyze me. Akrake to at me o. What makwa to screen kakaka so. They say was my 21 years me dance. Ana also ko analyze me. Wo ko analyze me no. Ana wo start free wrong foot. Say me call KNUST. Now me call hono. Me go read the program there and make you less of a doctor med. Unti asemi you. And now be attacking me academic credentials. And none of me ba bontin de me academic credentials beto abontin say. Minia Christmas tree. Me papa, me work for Christmas tree. At least we try to do due diligence. No make sure wash a shame and who say as now can no cry. Me KNUS man Kobe. Me call tech. Me call Accra Business School and I'm called UDS. Me academic background in it. Mo who dey post here no. Man for appointment to be anka hu. Mama ka so me a minister me no crank ho. Because appointment dey one political appointment da. Wuna wo de no wo de ko talk Christmas tree mimi na me de no me de penti asokwa obi ane na yi man fa appointment asema mamu me si me call medical school no me tene me ho call ewie me call medical laboratory sciences me wie no me sa ko to aso sa ko ye doctor of medical laboratory sciences me ti wo me a medical doctor Esa wa doctor of medical laboratory sciences. Eba lab adwuma minimye, eba hospital adwuma minimye. Me the whole Ghana men kwame medical doctor misawo medical laboratory science background from the allied health profession. Yes, there are medical doctors they call college of health, college of physicians and surgeons, reading lab medicine and all that. That is also another part. But when it comes to the separate profession of allied health sciences, any medical school, I am the first person me academic when the appointment of I am the first person maybe medical lab properly so called Masako medical school properly so called and to person who me and Masaya business administration me thesis was on internet marketing. It was on
the role of social media influencers on consumer purchase decision. Me go school to fan to them. Until I'm very strong on social media now. My co school, I young one day, our marketing, and how the algorithm works. The entire member live, I mean, TV station, I saw 3.5K, 3.6, with music also 9K. Now, over a TV station, I host you for 1 hour, how many years will they say? Oba win not even 2K. Because school, I'm sure there. Obi try me exam on my me try me exam. Because Christmas tree on who own admission. Oba beka say now down phobia. No ma copy no during exam. We university no so me serious. I was more draw certificates no for those admissions. Say now won't mean true now mo be na trauma. Nipa na trauma wa wie no nipa na score higher than one na fail. One about you be kind touch screen analysis and one na be kind. It's an academic conversation. It has nothing to do with political appointments. It will be nanka means say what the law certificate ba be kire say o law certificate ni who call law school ni wie one man call law school ni wo so wa ba be attacking many academic credentials. Enti Alaji 51 Papa Christmas tree. It has nothing to do with political appointments. About political appointments, I want to name you. Me. I have been president of MOOCs, National Union of Ghana Students. I've been president for all health students in Ghana. I've been president for my school, University of Ghana Allied Health Students Association. If you know me, Kwada become me do grow into me more. And can't you say, oh, no, be any no, until see appointing as regional minister. I was regional secretary for my party. Me free, you planned to soon appointing you. And this reward hard work and young, talented, young people in the party. Me free planet to very rewarding me. As you see, and here some no question to say here, oh, be a President Mahamama, a young minister appointment, maybe a wakoya arrogant, and why you say, and then appointment once. Appointment look at the infant chain. Academics in here come with them receive your better say bam. Forward the academics of Fabra. Naturally, the entire law no went me. It's simple. I was for a simple law no the entire went me. Law school no the entire went me. Me medical school no. Allied health me. Me nam say allied health president. And so can I make kwakoye you guys friends say NASAC president, health student president. As now me ko nooks. As now me ko real mainstream politics no. And wunni mo bia and offer na kwabi. Enti besrew. You are some no fa free ho. Na ko di wo nkomo bia wo de ohun nsem ne hia. Wo si me serious. So me na me serious no. Oba we show so be dedicate your session the mommy. What kind of intimacy now? Me ndi alaji. Me de Amoakohene. Me alaji me ni ebida. Alaji e ba kope. Alaji owu wi asoso e ba kope we alaji 38. Ye ni obi e fe na alaji 35. Ona abese so alaji awo be alaji 51. But alaji yen fa ma because on kan okre. Malam cry the mawa any year. On kan okre. E do a Christmas tree. Simple as that. And there was there is no back and forth so far as these issues are concerned. He came in directly to attack my academic background. And I published publicly my academic background. Then we asked of him, say, on publishing it here. And you we're expecting sober publishing. One thing I'm publishing, that is it. Into when you're large 38, no some na on some year. No one say, oh, my make money, no me make money. Me Alhaji Abubakar Sadiq. Obaso of me kramudi frame there. That is me Alhaji Abubakar Sadiq. On the Christmas tree. Madam Ase. Afi. My memory, my dofone, Penny Forson Afi. Your fan common on Shasho. Great. So that is it with your response to Christmas tree. Want me have a law certificate now, ma. Animal goes in necessity form, work and sim. Okay. Let me see who I have here. Okay. So you can request and I'll allow you to have a conversation with me. We're only discussing about what would inure to the progress of the country and be able to kill all forms of jandam. 2016, see I'm there, Mahamadu. Say, back TV so normal super John Mahamadu, what you say? Me say, Obi a wo journalist a watching about TV so say me ko KNUS when KNUS man go be dawo. What banner what goofy no wasn't ka be patch no. What the nam na fe no instead of telling us about no achievements no. He's telling us about others, philosopher. One has no dia na waje oh boom and yes be catch day ni titsu ni law school no say na wo call no ye yiwadi ana ye nyiwadi we ni niyama ye besi ehu enesa nkrofo for achievements ana obeka ho asem because ba ye na obeka asem me call ke university no enen nkrofo for na beka ye wo Christmas tree na beka. In today's world, it's a world of records. And yema ye nyema ye nyema wo media isu na ye ma ene ye manananom ebe nyina ba behwe. Enti nyema ni bi yo ha most definitely nyema ni bi yo ha was say ka ho asem. I understand perfectly say oh nyema ni bi wa ya munye din and that but say obeko school we abre so that me call University of Ghana for 10 good years for 2 different programs because I was so focused that I wanted to complete before having to do any other thing. Me was senior high school. Me science with geography because now my father person me call pilot. Me we SS no. And I'm a cultural biology in of deck. My teacher, my phobia. I just bought the books, sat by it. Minu ya waxy video, me say there or ha. Me ni me no cultural dada. But me as metro biology no. Or can hope for that year group. On name a motivation I'm doing there. And you're throwing in every and go chadi. Results in the buyer. Fantastic. I had a B, I didn't get an A in biology because now I'm piano on my own. And maybe I go no. Saturday Champions League. More 2010 below no. More Champions League. I came to do biomathematical science for level 100. And it is a biomathematical science that will lead you into Kolebu, College of Health Sciences. Me we no. And I'm medical Kolebu, okay, medical laboratory sciences. First, now Korean so you need to stop and then go and start from level 100. And I told myself I'll finish and complete. We completed in the year 2014. And I'm enrolled back to medical school. And I'm called Kolebu year 2020. And I'm called back to medical laboratory sciences to do Doctor of Medical Laboratory Sciences. I'm so me who say Mira in the area of business, in the area of politics. I needed to have a bit of a management background. And I'm a master of business administration. So the bear Uncle been to me bulem was as so. And I'm koye Mamu obian chideme. Say me copy will be your exam. To say the Christmas tree admitted so no old school, no a bounty, no be, I don't know copy no. Nizanko for our videos no. Maria school no. Maria school bebre ni now. Obi school bebre. Maria school bebre ni no. Obi timi fa camera with na studio live television, national television so. Start to say. Ladies and gentlemen, Amoakohene. I'm told he's not Dr. Med. Dr. Med so-called. He did something, so he can do something. He read something. Okay, news, Mr. University. Ken US man ko bi da o. Na matena se say obi nkotena TV national television so entwa me ho ntro. Academically when nipa na o twa ntro no oko law school ye yina di. Mutie ni yo. Na wo franto mago ye di bibragro. Wo ko law school ye wedi. Wo di bibragro. Me ma schools in the health profession. I have 2 professions. Obia unim ni bia obako. Nipa obia unim ni bia wa health profession mo bia obako. Me wa hai. Mi wo mienu. Mesa ye bi kura sa aka ho. Kom me pa disua. Exams so me ana me tro. Me mo obi ntro ma me. Enti me no I have no problem whatsoever with whatever anyone would say about me. I have no problem with that. However, ucha me hontro to say the Christmas tree I'll challenge you. And Mamu Obia misconstrue that to be a fact say bia we minim ana de bi Mr. we are say wono. We are say wono. Silence is no golden no. Silence is no golden. And then me buy am be challenging say onye lawyer. Law school ye yinadi. Oba TV so. Na kam dwe so oba be publishing academic record. Say me publishing media no. Want me anye. Afi was here unko an oye minister da eh menim say na me unko an oye minister. Dan tina me buy ma me come minister asem. Ma me come minister asem say me minister na wo ye board chairman. Na me ko penti ye ana wo ko talk Christmas tree. And then no ho nkomo. Eh academic discourse community in common yedi. It's not as though say oh ABI was any say we union debi. Man ko K University. Me ko University of Ghana. K University so mo nye any quack program one Paul Adom to could describe you know. And who else do any journalism now wa bon pa. Mo me di ko wa ti amo akwa bon. Akwabo, Amoakohene no so Owahere. Oh, oh, Christmas tree. Oh, yeah, baby, Owahere. Oh, Christmas tree na me wa hede. Unim ya ozo bi anim me. Una exaggerated impression of yourself into phobia ho. Phobia ho bi fa me ho. Who 51 years, the 51 years, the better know who be 35 years. Who classmates no, like who classmates they different no. Me age mates no mun me rough. Who be sawo me mates no omunim me and I'm not in a hurry say wa wadi 51 a ye pam free law school no wo benim me onim me afaso be na also like maybe o wa here o Christmas tree. Hey, I'm about say medieval for our Christmas tree. Medieval or here. Our Christmas tree on the way. Akoda na me our Christmas tree. Mo plants are much changing na ebe end up like a Christmas tree. Fe hunton kakraka kama. But it will never bear fruits. Fruits. Are there very fruits? A bit my Christmas tree so da. Say akoda to say me. Monsieur de ade de me no be me bragging. Be ba disua de a me bragging ankasa because makosku ya nyi me dida me kosku. School amako nyina me wie. Me school amako bia no ha me jaye. E den se de me sua. Enti aba school sempa e fanfa ho. Obetima ka se o menim asa na dia tum. Menim bobo dia tum. the other about this year. Damn. About this year. No matter how my 1 year law school. I know Ghana, you know, be a chair was say publish with law certificates. With law. School no, or drop it out. Now this is going to go for your screens soon. Let's say a man who or more. At the end of the day, no, here they'll be motivated or so drop out. 51 years or profession at the end of our come as well. So yeah, one to me, who we are. One sound goes here. Kawobaya research. Not quite your research. Oh, he is called. Oh, not all can be who say you are credible. Who say oh, hey. Me, you're from Oahe. You're from a Christmas tree. I was out for Mama.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.